Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Raycast in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do it, just simply open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Raycast. If you click on that, then you're going to get a website from raycast.com. Click on this first website, and here there is two versions for two operating systems called download Mac and download for Windows. So the download for the Windows is a beta version. So if you click on that, and you can see the download exe file is completed. Now if you click on it 2 times to install and simply minimize the browser, and you can see it's open with the Microsoft Store and it will going to start at the download. It's about 132 MB. It's downloading, so it will take some seconds to complete. After complete and download, the Raycast will be open in your computer in a very simple way. And then after open and getting this interface over here, you can simply get an option called get started. If you click on that and simply click on continue, then there will be some default settings will be set it, and you just need to click on continue. And if you just want to record a new hotkey, you can simply click alt and space. It will going to open the Raycast in your computer. So this is how you can simply download and install Raycast in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.